thing is 21st century convenience, and I am here for it.
I got my first Leviton plug last year, and after I used it for a few days, I ordered 4 more. And the reason I got the first one was because I had a hard time waking up in the morning with my box fan noise still running and also blowing cold air on me. So I got this so that I could just grab my phone and turn off the fan. That way I could start to wake up without the white noise keeping me sleepy. I can also then turn my fan on whenever I'm not home. So literally anything you can plug in, even if it's a 3-prong plug, you can switch it on and off right from your phone from anywhere. And if you're not by your phone, you can also hit the switch right on the plug on the side of it to do the same. These connect through Wi-Fi on the Leviton app, and I'm not super tech savvy, but this was a cinch to set up. And once you get one, just know you're gonna want more because this is the best invention ever.